Thanks. Thanks, Derpy Chopix, Mom. Let me just take my bag. Bye. Whoa. This looks amazing. Whoa. Chocolate could be anywhere. What room is this? Yandere Chain of Magics. I guess. Do I have the key? Okay. Not my dorm. Well, it's my dorm then. Derpy Chocolate! She's not here. Okay. Let me just put our stuff in the fridge. Okay. Let me just lock the doors. Okay. Wow. Amazing. Let me just put our key in here. I have some of her clothes too. Let me just put some of this in here. My backpack in here. Put some hay bales in here. Okay. Wow. I love this place. It looks amazing. Did I bring any pocket money? No. Okay. Why does the parkour place? Let me try it. I guess this is boat parkour. Okay, gotta leave the boats and a little closer. This counts. I didn't mean to, but it's like not. It's like all the way over there. Okay, good. Okay, this parkour is really hard. Whoops, I messed up. I'll just try later, but wow, look at this place. There's a lot of places to go. Look at the animal race. Let me go over there. Let me just look. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's a 2-horse race. Look at this place. Oh, and unleash them. Oops. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Sorry. Let me feed this to you. It's really fun here. Let me unpack my stuff. Derpy Chocolate, where are you? I don't think she's here. Oh. Okay, just put my stuff in here. I'll give a flower to Dylan on the way. Let's put my milk in here. Oh, I'll put it downstairs. Okay, this place looks amazing. It's like, wow. I just don't even know what to say. I love Derpy Chocolate's mom. She's amazing. Ooh, what's this place? There's sweet apples. Let me just fix it. It's like so messed it up. There's fries. might buy it later. There's ice cream too. And there's chicken. I don't think it's open yet. She said this place is amazing. It's like, I don't even know. Wow, it's just amazing. Adorable too? This looks like so modern. Stella, Babe, Michi-chan, and Chloe. Okay, that's their dorm, so who's this dorm? Alan shares a dorm with Dylan? Oh my god! Ugh. He doesn't know. Clover, Denial, and Avery Kick. Okay. Indiri-chan and Magic Storm. Let's see if they're here. Indiri-chan! Magix! I want to see what their house looks like. Let me just bust down the door! Let's try again. There, it worked. Wow. I think this is Yandiri's bed. And this is her bed. It's really not that bad. I don't want it to break, so. Ding dong. Ding dong. Hello. Wow. It's amazing. They have a great bathroom too. Almost big as mine. Let's see. This is my house too. So I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this new series called Roommates. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Have a starry day, guys. Ciao.